Good morning, students. Today, the table content is conditional statements. We have four types in conditional statements, that is if, then we have if else, then we have nested if else, and we have switch case. We have already studied this in C programming language, but how it works in PHP, so we will try today this all four conditional statements. So let's start with our programming. I start with my exam. Every time remember that whenever you start programming in PHP, always start services of XAMPP. I've started the services of Apache and MySQL. I go to my Visual Studio Code. I've started my Visual Studio Code. Okay, we will take a program first of if condition, how if condition works in PHP. I take a new file. For example, if.php. My file name is if.php. Okay, I start with my PHP. Okay, in one statement, I will just print that if else in PHP, ending with semicolon. A new line tag, that is my BR, break line. Okay, now I declare a variable, for example, dollar $speed equal to 15. In my if condition, I will check if my dollar speed, if my dollar speed is less than 60. Less than 60, same like we do in C programming, opening and closing of curly brackets. Okay, and in echo, I will just type that you are driving safe. Okay, what is my condition? I have declared speed as 50. My condition is if my speed is less than 60. Okay, then it will enter my loop saying that you are driving safe, ending with my PHP tag. I will save this program. I will go to my browser. My file name is if, my folder name is BCA. Okay, I will go to my browser. I will just check first whether my XAMPP is working or not. Localhost enter. Okay, my XAMPP control panel, my page is successfully running. My folder name is BCA / my file name is if.php. I press enter. Okay, so it is giving me output as you're driving safe. That means my speed is less than 60, then it is saying me that you are driving safe. Okay, if I increase my speed, I make it here 70 and I put else condition as echo you are burning extra fuel, ending with semicolon. I save my program. So my if condition was satisfied when my speed was 50. Okay, because my speed was less than 60. Now I have given speed as 70, so my speed is greater than 60, so it will not enter this loop, it will go in my else part. I save my program. I will just go to my browser and I will reload my page. Okay, so it is entered in my else part, that is you are burning extra fuel. So first one was if, second now I have taken if else. Now we will see nested if else. Okay, so again I will give a condition, that is else if My else if says dollar speed is greater than 60, and this is logical and, okay, logical and means my both the condition should be true, then only it will enter else if part, else it will directly go in else part. So logical and means both the condition should satisfy. Okay, now what does my if else part say? My speed should be greater than 60 and it should be less than 100. And last one I put as else part. If nothing is satisfied, then it will go in my else part, saying that it is very, it is very dangerous, ending with semicolon. Okay, I've declared my speed as 60, speed as 70. My speed is, first my if part says if my speed is less than 60, but my speed is 70, so it will not go in this loop. Second says my speed should be greater than 60 and less than 100. So my speed is 70, so it will go in this loop. Okay, just I will increase my speed as 110. Okay, now 110 is greater than 100, so it will directly go in my else part, that it is very dangerous. I save my program, I go to my browser and I just reload my page. So it is saying me that it is very dangerous. Okay, so this is example of if else and nested if else. Okay, once again I will just change the speed as 40. I save my program. 40 is less than 60, so here it is saying that you are driving safe. Okay, I will just change my speed to 80. 80 speed is greater than 60 and less than 100. I save my program, I go to my browser, I reload my page, so it is saying me that you are burning extra fuel. And last one example, I make my speed as 120. 120 is greater than 100, so it will go in my last loop, that is it is very dangerous. Okay, now this was the example of if else nested if else. Now we will see an example of switch case. Okay, how does switch case works? So we will take a new file for this. For example, SWT swt.php. Okay, starting with my PHP. Okay, in echo we will just print as working of switch case. Okay, one new line tag. Okay, now how does switch case works? So we will take just one variable as favorite color equal to, I've taken a variable called as favorite color, and in that value I give as red, ending with semicolon. Okay, now we have to declare switch case by the keyword switch favorite color. Okay, so if you want to declare switch case, so switch case is declared by the keyword switch. Okay, starting with my bracket as we do in C programming. Okay, I will take case as red color, ending with colon. Okay, remember this, case ends with colon. I will just write here ends with colon. Okay, and echo I will just print as your favorite color is red, ending with semicolon. Okay, now we have to break the case. Breaking the case is important, else it will be in continuous loop. So break is very much important, ending with semicolon. I write here ends with semicolon. Okay, now I will take another case for example as blue. Okay, blue ending with colon. In echo, I will just type your favorite color is blue, ending with semicolon, and we have to break the case, ending with semicolon. Okay, I will take one more case as green. Okay, ending with colon. In echo, I will just type as your favorite color is green, ending with semicolon. Again, we have to give a break, ending with semicolon. Okay, if I don't satisfy all the three colors, then in default we have to give as, again default is a keyword ending with colon and echo. I will just type as your favorite color is neither red, green, red, blue, and green. Okay, ending with semicolon. Please remember giving semicolon, else it will give you error. Ending of curly brackets and ending of PHP. Okay, I will save my program. Let's check. I've given the favorite color as red. So what is the output? I will go to my browser. My file name is SWT. I go to my browser. My file name is SWT.php. I press enter. So it is showing me that your color is red. I will just change the value. I will give as blue. I will save my program. I will go to my browser and I will just reload my page. Okay, now it is entering in case blue. That's why it is showing me a color is blue. One more change, that is I will give the value as green. I save my program. I go to my browser and I will just reload my page. Okay, now it is showing me that your color is green. Okay, now I will change the value, that is neither red, neither blue, neither green. I give yellow. I save my program. I go to my browser and I will just reload my page. Okay, so it is going in default. That is your favorite color is neither red, neither blue, and neither green. So this is the working of switch case. I've taken a variable, for example, favorite color, and that I've given the value as red. Okay, we have to declare switch case by the keyword switch, and in bracket we have to give the variable name, that is dollar favorite color. Okay, case you have to give the value. I've taken case as red ending with colon. Please remember case ends with colon. Okay, similarly we have blue, green, and in default ends with colon. I will just type here ends with colon. Okay, and the value that I have printed in default is neither red, neither blue, or neither green. So student, this is the working of such case. I hope you have understand. Thank you all.